In this video, we're going to be implementing advanced theme settings. We're going to use the hook form system theme settings author. We're going to do it in the theme settings PHP, where we would add simple text field. So we already have Drupal instance here installed, and we have simple theme that is extending the core Bartik theme. So let's jump to the code base, and in our custom theme, let's go ahead and create the theme settings PHP. Here we will be writing PHP. So let's go ahead and create the function, the name of our theme, form system theme settings author. And on api.drupal.org, let's check for hook form author and just simply copy the parameters that we have here. It's a bit tricky about this particular form because there is a bug if the form ID is not null. So let's go ahead and set it to null, and here make a check if is set form ID, just don't continue executing here. The next thing we want to do is we want to create a form field, and in the form variable we're going to create our custom field. We're going to call it doc name, and it would be an array, and the field type is going to be text field. We're going to set a title to it, which would be simply doggy name. There's a bit of magic happening here under default value, and basically here we're using theme get setting, and we're going to use the same machine name as the field name that we just created, and we're going to set simple description. Our cute doggy name here. That's perfect.
Furthermore, we could say here we're implementing hook, this hook, and we could put simply file document to say that theme settings in this file.
Simply that. It looks fine. Let's go ahead and clear the cache and see if we would get the field in our theme. So if we go under configuration, performance, and clear all caches, basically under appearance, under the settings for our custom theme, we should be able to see the new field that we just created. It's doggy name, our cute doggy name here, so we can simply say Scooby-Doo or something and save it. And as you see, it's being saved. There's a bit of magic happening here. That's perfect. If you like this video, please check the links in the description. Like this video. Don't hesitate to ask any questions if you have. In the next video we will see how we can actually render this text in the page tweak template. Thanks for watching.